Hey guys, so today I will be showing y'all how to make a little something like this. So as you can see, this is an Animal Jam bunny with a fox hat and just a spike, a non-member spike, the ones in the diamond shop or whatever. And so if you're wondering how I made this, then I'm glad you clicked on this video because this is the tutorial for how to make it. So I just have this animal, and you're gonna need some kind of animal that you think will go good. So I'm gonna be making a fox hat today. And so you're gonna need some clay, really any color. Then you're gonna need some black clay for the eyes and the nose. And I'm gonna get some more of this just for safe measures. Yeah. So you can really have any color, but I recommend the Animal Jam colors if you're going to be doing this for an Animal Jam character. So you're going to need a decent amount for the tail and a decent amount for the body. And if you need more, just make sure that you have enough. So we're going to make this the head. So let me be right back. So now that you have your base, basically, you can do your tail if you want. So then you're going to get your black clay. This is a good amount. You're going to make 3 small balls out of it. One for the, one for one eye. And then one for the other. Oh, that was a wonky eye. Make it a little bit less. And you're gonna need your nose, of course. So it's a little bit big. I always make things too bigger. Okay, so there we go. So then you're going to need your other piece of clay for the tail. Let me just fix that. I just noticed how I made it. Okay. And the nose came off. Be right back. Okay then. Okay. So now you're going to need your extra piece of clay. And you're just going to roll it up slightly. Then you're going to make a little tip. Then you're just going to curve it like that. And there you have your foxtail. You can have add a bit of white, but I don't really, since I don't really have any more white. But y'all guys will definitely do a better job than me at the tail, because I'm kind of trying to rush right now. That's why all of it is bad. But here it is. This is probably how it's going to look on your animal when you're finished. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, and maybe even share. And if y'all guys want to see more tutorials like this on spikes or wristbands or, you know, any other Animal Jam item, then please hit the like button and tell me in the comments. Bye!